What's up, pre-calc? In this video we're going to be talking about hyperbolas again and putting them in standard form. So this will be a pretty quick video, especially since we've done this before with ellipses. It's very similar. So here's an example put into standard form. By completing the square. And here's the equation. 5x squared minus 10x minus 4y squared minus 56y equals 211. Super easy example because it's already all lined up for you. Our x's are together, our y's are together, our constant is on the other side. If it's not in the correct order, then what you're going to want to do is obviously put them together and look for which part that's being squared is negative, because you're going to want that to go second, right? So if it was negative 5x squared and positive 4y, we'd have the positive 4y and our y's in front, because hyperbolas are always one thing being squared minus another thing being squared. So to save time, this is already in order. And what we're going to do is separate them. So I'm going to find the greatest common factor of each group, my x's and my y's. So that'll be 5, sorry, not greatest common factor, factoring out the a value. So parentheses x squared minus 2x, then we have minus 4, and in parentheses y squared plus 14y equals 211. Now we're going to complete the square for our x value. So that is x squared minus 2x, and negative 2x divided by 2 squared is positive 1, minus 4y squared plus 14y, and 14 divided by 2, 7 squared is 49. And do not forget, right? We have 211, and then we have to add 1 times 5. And then we have to add 49 times negative 4. Okay. And then on the left side, we're going to factor. So we have 5 parentheses. This is going to factor to be x minus 1 squared. Minus 4 times y plus 7 squared equals, and 211 plus 5 minus 196 is 20. So last thing that we need to do here is divide both sides by 20. 5 divided by 20 will leave us with 1/4, so we will have x minus 1 squared over 4. Minus 4 divided by 20 will give us a denominator of 5. And we are done. Now this would be a bit more complicated if I did ask you to graph, especially because these aren't perfect squares, so we would end up with the square root. Well, one of them is, but anyways. So from here, you could ask to graph, you could ask to find all of the key points of the hyperbola, but the point of this video is to just go over completing the square to get this into standard form. So that's it, we're done.